In this video we will show you how to add and enable the feature text messaging between mobile users and dispatcher in GroupTalk Admin. Go to grouptalk.com. Click on the link to GroupTalk Admin in the menu bar. Log in with your email and password. First we are going to configure group messaging in PTT Groups. Go to PTT Groups. Click on the PTT group in which you want to enable text messaging. In this case we choose Security. You can now see that messaging is disabled. Click on the section for messaging. To enable text messaging in this PTT group, click the box and then click Update. Messaging is now enabled in PTT Group Security. Now you need to configure which user categories can read and write messages to the PTT Group Security. Click on the section User Categories. Click the checkboxes for messaging for both dispatch users and mobile users if you want both parties to be able to use the function. Read only is used if, for example, a mobile user should only be able to read the text messages but not reply. In this case, the mobile user must be able to reply to text messages, so that checkbox must not be filled. Click on Update to save the settings. Now we are going to see how the text messaging configuration in PTT groups can look like in action. Operator 1 is sending a group messaging. All available units can move towards the football arena to assist the security guards. Notice from Operator 1. Jane Doe is responding with a group messaging. Got it. We're heading there now. Operator 1 is responding Jane Doe in the group. Good. Notice from David Taylor. Got it. Notice from Operator 1. Thank you. Now we are going to configure private messaging, user to user. Go to User Categories. Select the user category you want to add the feature text messaging in. In this case we choose mobile users. Select the section User Category Permissions. Here you can activate GroupTalk features between the user category you selected and other user categories. Read the user categories in the left column in association with the features listed horizontally. Activate the required GroupTalk features by selecting the corresponding checkbox. For example, dispatch users can receive messaging from mobile users. Dispatch users can start messaging with mobile users. Mobile users can receive messaging from mobile users. Notice that the other checkbox is automatically checked. That is because when a user category can start messaging with users in the same category, they can also receive messages from this category. Click on Update to save the settings. If you want to see how a private message looks like in action, watch our introduction video of GroupTalk PC Dispatcher version 2. For more information visit our website.